Once we have our leaf tallies made, we need to weave these 6 pairs together so that they meet in the middle and out again. And how we do that is we treat each pair as one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first move is 2 over 3, and then 4 over 5, 4 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 1, 4 over 5, and then 6 over 5. And then we can put our pin in the middle, and between the 1, 2, 3, we put our pin and tension our threads. And then going back, we do 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 4 over 3, 2 over 3, and 4 over 5. And you can tell when you tension your threads that the pairs have crossed over. So these two belong to this one, these two belong to this one, and these two belong to this one. And now I'm going to continue making my leaf tallies, and I'm going to start with the middle pair because it helps keep the tension the way that we want it to be by starting with the middle pair.